To be honest with you, I don't know what I'll do if... Should I get pulled over or the police raid my house again or do a wellness check? I'd probably have to not wear that. I would certainly film it though and put it online. Just let them know that I'm already heavily involved in a massive human rights violation and racial profiling, racial discrimination, just all kinds of indignant, dehumanizing BC civil liberties and CCRC, medical malpractice, that would be with the mental health institution at the General Chilliwack Hospital. Just a specific corporal or constable at the local RCMP detachment. Not to name any specifics at this time. I'm not a world star. I'm just trying to clean up the YMCA in Chilliwack. I had to avoid it. It's a Bob Chan facility. He's a prominent Chinese Canadian that would probably take offense to the indiscriminate behavior of some wanksters pretending to be gangsters or even white-collared privileged individuals or businesses like a monopoly like Home Life Limited and the realtors and lawyers and the ones that I have on retainer. Some in town, Baker Newby, and one down the street or in Van City. Speaking of Van City, that credit union, the one in Chilliwack, I have no problems with it. In fact, I've been paying my mortgage through Van City, even though I'm a lifelong TD, Canada Trust client of Tim C, Sue B, and even a Strata attorney partner, Andrew Delmonico from Kuhn LLC. I hired his attorney, his estate attorney, Dylan Shaw. Shaw, TELUS Mobility Security Systems. I pay 24/7.